interference.
Okay.
And go. Mama, there's another pepper. Is it done growing?
Let me see. Hold it in me. Let me see.
Is it good? Are the tomatoes ready to pick?
I think you have two more peppers over here.
Look, this one's not ready. This one's ready?
They're both ready, actually.
What?
You want to leave that one for a little bit longer?
This one?
Yeah. Or you want to keep it? You can pick it if you want. Let me see. Ooh, that's so good.
That looks good, right? What about the tomatoes? Are this?
Pick the ripest one?
Yeah,
Okay, which one is the ripest one?
this one.
Okay, go ahead.
And Mama, last time you did it, you didn't get it correct.
You did it by yourself this time. How does it feel to...
Good.
Let me see the tomato. Share it with me.
Need some cleaning.
Let's get it in full. Oops.
We can still clean it, right?
Yeah, let me see. I have to get it in focus.
I can go. I'm gonna make sure there's no baby tomato on it. Yep. Nah. Is there more? Right? This one?
That can stay for a little bit longer.
But is it right?
It can stay for a few more days. Okay,
I
what
need
else?
to know if it's right.
It can stay for a few more days is my answer.
Is it right?
Look at these. Are these ready yet? These ones?
No.
Oh, look. How many do you have left on this one? You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, there are more tomato plants coming up too. Okay, what
Mama,
else?
I see two right now. See?
Those can stay a little bit longer.
But you
This one you can pick up. This one.
and those are not right.
Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Let me see it, let me see it, let me see it. Bring it, bring it. Bring the basket. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, the sauce is really neat. Ahi pepper, tomato. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the zucchini.
Is it ready?
Yeah, there's one that's yellowing.
You mean it's ready already?
Yeah.
You mean I can pick it? I can pick it? I'll pick it.
This one here.
Okay, I'll pick it.
Come.
I'll go.
No, just use your hand. You can just use your hand and break it off. Wait, no. Okay, maybe that was not such a great idea.
Well, I can do it. I will
No,
do
it's
it.
okay. Can you see it? Can you see? Uh-oh, we broke off a baby zucchini.
It's okay. Yeah, I can see it. Under it.
There it is.
A
So
zucchini.
it started to
Grow.
spoil.
Spoil.
So we're not gonna let it all waste.
You mean this is not spoiled?
Yeah.
You can use this part. You can just
And
cut
cut
it.
it off, correct.
We can just cut it off this part.
Yep.
Okay, so I can.
Put them in the basket.
Wait, we don't want this to spoil all of us.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. You said I can hold.
Okay, so point it over this section. Make sure, look through here. Always look through here. So I'm gonna cut it from about here. Yep.
It's ready? It's too cold.
Can you keep still?
Wait, a little bit closer. Can I hide myself?
Yes, you can hide yourself. You're the colored boy.
Now? You got it now?
Wow.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's good. What is it? I ate this before.
Yeah, scallions. Mommy always cooks with it.
I can cut the scallions when we're cooking,
Yes, you can cut the scallions when we're cooking.
but I just want them outside.
Yeah, we're
right
gonna
now.
wash them in the garden. Why are we gonna wash them in the garden?
In the other table.
Let us reap some radishes. Let's try this one here. Just move away the dirt. Gently move away the dirt. Gently. Let me see.
It's so.
Wow. Let me see. Hold it in your hand. Shake it off. Shake off all the dirt.
It's not there. It's okay. Soil.
Just.
I can pick up some more.
Hmm. Yes, you can pick some more.
Okay, where do I put this?
Just put it right here.
On the ground?
Yeah. Let's see which other one. Just move gently.
I know. Well, I think this one is good. Is it good? Is it ready? Yeah, it's ready. It's good.
Let's take out one of those, not all of them. There are 2 or 3 right there. So let's just take out one. Okay, that's it.
But what about them?
Cover this one back. Right here. Put it right here. No, over here.
You said we're gonna. You said I'm your idea. You said I can put these ones out.
Okay, you can take this one out. This one here.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me see it. Hold it up. Let me see it.
It's clean.
Yeah. Let me hold it. Hold it still.
It looks like we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some bunnies soon, right? We're gonna get some bunnies in our yard. We're gonna get some bunnies in
Can you
our
keep your hands
yard.
still?
Ooh,
Look at the mint coming up here. Finally.
now I know those ones are not ready.
None of the basils came up. All the basil.
Mama,
Yeah.
I can wash the plant.
Here's a weed. Here's a grass weed.
Grassweed?
Yeah, take out that grass weed.
Here?
Yeah.
I never seen a weed like this before. I thought it was just grass.
Pull it out at the root, honey.
Done.
Nope, that is still there. Sorry. Okay.
Take out the leaves.
And that's it for this week's edition of our Victory Kitchen Garden Vlog series. We have had a great time just walking through and reaping things from the garden and sharing that experience with you. To support our channel, please click on the description box and subscribe to our Patreon, as well as go and find recipes on our blog chefandsteward.com. And until next time, we're gonna be using this callaloo to make a video recipe for you, as well as we're working on our giveaway that we promised once we reached 1,000 subscribers. So like and give a thumbs up to this video. Click on the subscription box and see how you can support us. God bless you. Until next time.